How to filter spreadsheet data in Google Sheets. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step quick tutorial that we can follow up to filter the data in Google Sheets. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can start by opening up your sheet. Go ahead and open up Google Sheet and access it on your main. And once you've accessed it up, you can just go over and open up the data where your file is located and go ahead and select your data or click anywhere inside it and click on the data option at the top, and that will open up a menu. Just go over and click on the option for creating a filter, which is this one right here. And once you do so, you will be seeing the filter icon in each of the column header. You just need to click on it. We can filter it out. So here you can choose what you want. You can sort A to Z, Z to A, sort by color as well. We have filter by color, filter by condition. If you want to filter it out, we can just go and click on it. Similarly, filter by values, we can select it and go ahead and search for the values that we have and go ahead and filter it out. And that's it. Another method we can do is we can filter by condition as well. All we gotta do is go for the filter option and click on it. And here will be finding an option called filter by condition. Click on it. And once we have clicked on it, here we can do different things, such as text contents, for example, Gmail, or number greater than, something like that, and date is after before. It is very great for larger data sets. And if you want to create up a filter view, what we can do is we can look out for the data option in the top. And here look out for the option called create filter view and click on it. And it will create up a filter view here. We can just go over and save the view, and that way we should be able to do it. It won't affect what others will be seeing, but we'll be seeing a different filters like my view, and we should be able to do it. You can just go and use this option to sort together for cleaner data. You can filter out multiple columns at once, and you can also turn off the filter once it is turned. And that's it, everybody, for now. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.